Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 2 healthy breakfast recipes. The first recipe I'm going to show you today is egg on toast. Because our bread is frozen, we're going to pan fry it. So today we're using a fry pan to toast it a little bit. But with your toaster at home, you can use it, but make sure you don't over toast it. Because our toast is slightly warm, we're going to cut it using a cup, but you can use any type of cutters at home. So for our next step, we put 2 teaspoons of oil. Move it around the pan so the oil's covering the pan. We'll get our toast and then we crack our egg. And when you crack the egg, you put it in the middle, just like that. So we'll wait 2 to 3 minutes so the bottom of the egg is cooked. And when you feel like the bottom is cooked, then you can flip it over like that. Today we're going to be using tomatoes for our side. So you put in your oil again. Move it around the pan so the pan is covered in oil, and then you put your tomatoes in like that. And here you have it, your egg on toast, with the tomato on the side, and we sprinkled some cheese. For our second breakfast recipe, I'll be making yogurt with frozen fruit. You can use any glass or a mason jar, but today I'll be using a glass. So first, you'll need your yogurt. You can use any flavoured yogurt, but today we'll be using plain yogurt. You get your spoon and you just pop your yogurt into the jar. And how much you want to put, I'll just put a little bit more, like that. The amount of yogurt that I put in is just the right amount. So now we'll put in the raspberries and strawberries and any kind of fruit you want to use. Today we'll be using mixed berries. So we'll put put the mixed berries just like that. And then we'll put another layer of yogurt. And now we're going to finish off with mixed berries on top. And here you have it, yogurt with frozen berries.